aproko. So that they really think I have news for them. So they now stop. They stop fighting. Thank God. Thank God. All of you, they like aproko. When I said there is good news, all of them just keep quiet. No fight again. That's what I want. They have been fighting. I say, hey, what happened? It's a new month, guys. Do not fight. So, Katrina, what do you have for us today? Please. Thank you, Big Alex. Thank you. So, starting from now on, this is how I'll be dressing to my stream, okay? Thank you, Alex. Thank you. Aisha, thank you for joining the stream today. Have you subscribed? I was peaceful, Katrina, minding my own business. Thank you, Katrina. Thank you. Lee, I'm gonna jump off, please. Last way know I'm thinking of her. If she pop back, feel so bad for my cheeky. Bye, Minah. Bye, Siri Tucson. What of bye, Radar? Bye, I'm just a girl. Bye, Ami. What of that one? Bye, Katrina. Why will you mention my name without mentioning other people? No. Wait till I first will be greeting. Okay, that's good. I thought 407 is from Nigeria, but you're just living in US. 407. Why did you restrict your message? I read it already, Aisha. I read it already. So why did you restrict it? Oh my God, Reda, you are a down south boy. It wouldn't surprise me. For our loss, what happened to last Bay? What happened to last Bay? What happened? Wait till first do no be greeting. Mo bere oni bere dagini. Mo bere lo mi lekan si. So kí mi, so kí ẹ̀gbọ́n rẹ̀, so sọ pé Minah o, ẹ káalẹ́ ma o, ẹ dẹ̀ rẹwà lọ́mọbìnrin o, ẹ fine púpọ̀. So sọ bẹ́ẹ̀. So sọ bẹ́ẹ̀. Thank you, Alex. Thank you. Radio for Sand. Hello. Thank you. Lee, what happened to last Bay now? I didn't see it. What happened to last Bay? Katrina, is this for me? Kini, woman, I said we give you. I will give you. I did not know. Katrina, thank you, Katrina. I didn't know. I didn't see it. Serious. That fight self doesn't. Oh, God, I'm so sorry. Subhanallah. So sorry. I didn't see it. Seriously. You know, their fight doesn't even make me to. So sorry. Hey, yeah. I didn't see it. Radio for Sand. What's with your coffee? Do you want to buy me coffee? Reda, Reda, when you come back, come and pay your $100. When you come back. Ami too, when Ami come back, Ami should come and pay his $200. Last way is not here. She's not here again. I didn't see it now. I'm serious, Wallah, I didn't see it. You know, they are fighting. So the fight doesn't, like, I just ignored the chat. I didn't read the chat again because the thing is kind of annoying, to be sincere with you. Them fighting each other as if they know each other from this thing. So I didn't read the chat at all. Serious, I didn't read it. So sorry for that. I didn't see. Hey, yeah, so sorry. Oh yeah, good evening, my love. You look take away. Thank you. Thank you so much. This for you. Bye. Call him back, Reda. Yeah? You know where to find me, Katrina. Where? Where? Tell me where. Ready for Sand. If you want to buy me a coffee, click on the link and buy me a coffee, please. Thank you. Reda and Katrina, where? You know where to find me. Where?